What's up YouTube? Back at it again with another Nike outlet find. This is a personal favorite. This is the Nike Air Force 1 High /RT. And I'm pretty sure that RT stands for Riccardo Tisci. I'm pretty sure he's the creative director at Givenchy. And that makes this shoe pretty special. There's a lot of very interesting characteristics with this shoe. Let's check them out. As you can see at the toe box here, there's a Nike RT logo with a star on it. Nice little star on the side of the shoe with the Nike logo. Both sides. The shoe is made out of a lot of premium materials. As you can see, the quality of this leather is quite good. Especially on the inside of the shoe here. You can see how tumbled this leather is. Especially on the inside of the tongue, right here. These are pretty nice. If you like the shoes, definitely check out the StockX affiliate marketing link to buy yourself a pair. Yellow bottoms. I mean, you can't really go wrong with yellow bottoms, can you? Or is that red bottoms? Anyway, let's see how they look on foot. So here they are on foot, finally. These look wild, especially the colorway. And they look especially good with this denim right here. It stacks really well. Scotch and soda denim. Check out the Amazon affiliate marketing link in the description if you want a pair for yourself. Forgot to mention the RT at the back. If you're unfamiliar, I'm pretty sure Jay-Z raps about Riccardo Tisci and Givenchy clothes in a rap song or two, but I could be wrong. Now, I don't really know how I would rock the straps. A lot of people have recommended just letting them hang off the back, but I don't like that they'll get damaged like that. So let's check out how the straps look strapped up here in the front. I think if possible, I might just rock it like this. Straps are still dragging on the floor, which is something I don't really like. And honestly, I don't even mind the straps strapped up. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. This is one of those shoes that I really thought would be a lot more expensive than they are right now. I'm sure you can find a great deal on StockX, so definitely check out the link. The link in the description. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This is an awesome pair of shoes. Goodbye.